YouTube, it's Allyverse here, and just one thing that I really wanted to touch on that I don't think I really touched on in any other of my twist out videos or braid out videos, mostly really twist out, is the correct way to do a twist for definition. So you see how these are nice and they're pretty tight. Like when you kind of untwist them, you'll see that they still hold that, it's still holding that pattern of twist. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what a normal twist may look like that people do. I'm gonna use this section of hair here. So again, this is just a basic twist. You're gonna see how I do it with spraying with water, and all I'm using is coconut oil. I will be doing this for the updated twist, but right now this traditional twist is really just showing you the very basics that most naturals do. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like. You're going to see it a little puffy, and as you notice with your own twist in mind, that it will get puffy over the night, but we want to eliminate that. So let's hop right into the new twist. Now this method, it's gonna take practice. I've been doing this like twist out method for a really long time, so I just kind of naturally do it, and the other normal way to do a twist out is actually hard for me and I have to think about it now. So this way you're gonna have to think about it a little bit until you get like the hang of it. It doesn't take long to get the hang of it, but basically what you do, grab your sections of hair. You'll have all your product and everything that you want to use in it. Go ahead and split it into, start at the very top. I hope you guys can see. Start at the very top, grab it, and you want to twist the strands of hair. You twisting the strands of hair is the key part to this technique. So twist the strands of hair and then twist, and then continue the regular twist around each strand. Twist, twist single strands, twist around both strands, twist single strands, twist around both strands. So you will kind of get the hang of it. If it helps to just only twist one and then go wrap around the other one, wrap around the other one, go ahead and do that. That also works. I go ahead and twist both, but you will get pretty much the same results. You see how tight this is forming now? Really tight twist. And as you're going, you want to smooth your hair out. You want to smooth it, and that helps, kind of finger detangle your twist. So when you take your twist out, it's detangled and you have a smooth look. Your curls are smooth, almost like you just hopped out and did a wash and go and you got smooth curls. So you want it to look as natural as possible and getting rid of, your natural curl pattern. But that's what we're doing for this twist out, trying to get that nice curly twist out look. So again, twist, 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 wrap around it, twist, 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 twist. And you want to keep twisting. At the bottom, I get really free. And as long as you have enough oil and moisture still in your hands. I have a lot of oil on my hands right now. The twisting at the bottom is cool. I even just kind of wrap around the ends if I have enough, slip on my fingers, and you'll get a nice little curl like that. And you have a much thicker twist. Now I want you to see the difference between this twist and this twist. And once they dry, I will take them out and show you the different twist out that you get. But these are your two. So now that you let your twist dry, you see the difference between the two twists. This one is a traditional method. It's puffed up because your natural curl pattern is really trying to take over. And this one is the new updated one. It's very really tight, and that's exactly what you wanted. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the traditional twist just so you can see what it looks like. Again, I have no product, just water. Nice curls, nice formation, but you're gonna see when we get into unraveling them, your natural curl pattern is going to pop out. Now, like I said, there's nothing wrong with doing a traditional twist, especially if you like more volume and frizz, but we're going to go for more of a spiral curl and like a lock look. We really want our hair to take on the pattern of that twist. So again, this is traditional, doesn't look bad, but let's see what we can get. All right, time for the updated method. So this is what it looks like I said, very tight, didn't puff overnight or any of that. We're getting ready to take it down, and you are going to see how much of an importance it is to twist the correct way in order to get definition for your curls. It's not just about the product. We really want to focus on how we are twisting our hair. Check out that bounce, baby. So just keep in mind, as you can see, we have great bounce compared to the traditional twist that we did. It just kind of did its own thing, just like our natural hair has the power to do its own thing and just take over. But this time we wanted to have more control over our natural hair. And as you can see, I took those pieces and I pulled them apart, and still look, baby, definition. Okay, so that is exactly what we were looking for and hoping for in these results. I'm gonna go ahead and take a loose the next one, and you are going to see some more definition, baby. So I hope that you guys liked and gained a lot of information from this video. Please make sure that you share so we can save all of the girls out there who are doing their twist out and who are desperately looking for another method in getting a defined look. I hope that this works out for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope that you guys found this video very helpful. Make sure that you like and subscribe and share this video with your other curl friends. So until next time, ladies. Also, make sure you check out my empowerment videos and my natural hair videos. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. Please make sure that you stay empowered and positive wherever life takes you. And I'll see you next time.